Good day everyone. On this video, you are going to learn about rational inequalities. Let's have an example. First, we'll find the critical points or the points that will make either numerator or denominator 0. That is minus 3 equals 0 in pies, x equals 3, and 2x plus 1 equals 0 in pies, x equals negative 1 half. Now, we draw a number line and put these points focused in our expression and values less than negative 1 half. It becomes positive between negative 1 half and 3. It is negative lastly for values greater than 3. It is positive since we are finding the values of greater than 0, or positive the first and the third region are true for our inequality. Therefore, the solution set is given by this. I am your teacher, Beth. Thank you for watching.